This morning of the season, temperatures making a rebound. Looking outside right now, no surprise that the Grand River is frozen over. I would imagine there's a lot of ice forming everywhere here across the Great Lakes, and for the first time ever, I think the Great Lakes will have back-to-back seasons with over 90% ice coverage. Just remarkable. Clouds have moved in. We start out with some sunshine earlier this morning, along with those brutally cold temperatures. Lake Macatawa, hey, we can actually see Lake Macatawa today. Wow, they got hammered yesterday and the day before with lake effect snow. That was kind of just the bullseye of it. And we'll head to Muskegon to see a good-looking shot there as well. Certainly snow covered and overcast sky conditions moving in as a clipper closes in on West Michigan. Temperatures, though, good to see temperatures above the 0 mark. We're looking at 5 above in Grand Rapids right now, 5 in Kalamazoo. And this really isn't that far away from our high temperature yesterday that we received. I think our warmest temperatures are going to be during the evening hours for today's date, likely making it into the teens. Why? Well, we have a south wind out there, but the problem is it's a fairly strong south wind, 14 right now in Grand Rapids, 18 miles an hour Kalamazoo, 16 in Holland. Of course, we all know what it does to the temperature. Feel like readings have been pushed down quite a bit. 12 below in Grand Rapids. By the way, 26 degrees below 0. That's what it felt like at one point earlier this morning. So an improvement. Still very cold outside, 15 below in the Kalamazoo area, 11 below in Holland. So when you have wind chills like this and temperatures like that, be careful with the pets as well. Bring them inside. Don't let them stay out too long. Here's the latest on Storm Track Live radar. You can see a band of snow. And looking at the observations over in Wisconsin, no one reporting more than 3/4 of a mile visibility or lower than this. So this is all very light snow, which is going to move in later on this afternoon. Tracking into the Grand Rapids area, US 131, sometime after 4 o'clock, a little bit earlier areas off to the west along the lakeshore. Temperature-wise, have to show you this. This is amazing. Look at the depth of the cold. Current temperature in Louisville, 10 above, 27 in Atlanta, and even Orlando, only 48 degrees. They had lows all the way down in south central Florida in the 30s this morning. Just incredible. Futurecast shows that light snow moving in. We begin it at 6 o'clock time frame. And again, I emphasize light snow. I think the heaviest of the light snow likely be up in Oceana County and Ludington area, and you'll be able to see more light snow at midnight time frame. So if you're heading out this evening, yes, we'll have to deal with some light snow. Even tomorrow during the day, we'll have occasional light snow. It looks as if that system we were mentioning is going to stay primarily to the south of us, although Battle Creek, southern extent of I-69 could pick up about an inch from it. Snow forecast calls for not a lot. I think most areas ranging from about a ½ an inch of snow to upwards maybe 2 to 3 inches of snow in around the Hart area, Ludington up towards Manistee. Here's a look at the Storm Team 8-day forecast, and we get a break tomorrow. It's going to be wonderful to actually have a temperature up around 30 degrees. And then once again, back to the cold with temperatures consistently in the 8-day forecast in the teens. Now Tuesday looks like a decent chance for snow with a fairly strong clipper moving in. That's going to bring yet another round of Arctic air later in the 8-day forecast.
Matt, thank you. We'll be checking back with you. We want to get